Welcome, future millionaires and finance enthusiasts. Today we are diving deep into a topic that fascinates and motivates many on their financial journey. Why is making your first million the hardest? And how do the subsequent millions become easier to achieve? It's a question that puzzles many. But when you break it down, the answer is a blend of psychology, strategy, and the power of compounding. Stick with us as we explore the pivotal milestones, mindset shifts, and financial strategies that make the first million a challenging but transformative goal, and why, once you've reached it, the path to further wealth could be smoother than you think. The psychological and strategic battle of the first million. Embarking on the journey to amass your first $1 million is akin to setting sail into uncharted waters, where the psychological and strategic challenges are as formidable as the financial ones. This journey is less about the tangible accumulation of wealth and more about conquering the intangible barriers of fear, doubt, and conventional thinking. It's a transformative expedition that requires not just a change in how one earns, saves, and invests money, but a profound shift in mindset from earning to creating wealth. Take for example the story of Mia. Mia began her career in a traditional 9-to-5 job, living paycheck to paycheck. Her dreams of wealth seemed more than a fantasy than an achievable reality. Her turning point came with the realization that her current financial strategies, or lack thereof, were not paving the path to the wealth she aspired to. Mia embarked on a journey of financial education, learning about the power of investing, the importance of financial planning, and the art of living below her means to save aggressively. Her story exemplifies the psychological battle against societal norms and the strategic pivot necessary to embark on a path less traveled but more rewarding. Another illuminating case is that of Ethan, who faced the daunting challenge of student debt. Instead of succumbing to despair, Ethan viewed his debt as a catalyst of innovation. He started a side hustle that capitalized on his skills and passions, gradually turning it into a profitable venture. Ethan's journey underscores the strategic shift required to view obstacles as opportunities and the psychological resilience needed to pursue unconventional paths to wealth creation. These stories highlight a critical aspect of the journey to the first million, the necessity of a dual transformation. Psychologically, one must cultivate a growth mindset, embracing challenges, learning from failures, and persisting despite setbacks. Strategically, it involves a paradigm shift from merely saving money to actively generating and investing it. This means looking beyond traditional savings accounts to investments in stocks, real estate, or even starting a business, all of which offer the potential of high returns and the realization of one's financial goals. The path to the first million is fraught with obstacles, both external and internal. Yet, it is these very challenges that foster the resilience, knowledge, and strategic acumen necessary for financial success. Through real-life stories of individuals who have navigated this journey, it becomes evident that reaching the first million is not just about the financial milestones achieved, but the personal growth and transformation experienced along the way. If you are enjoying the video, hit the subscribe button and comment on how you will earn your first million. If you want to explore money-making strategies, click the link in the description to start your financial journey. The magic of compound interest and diversification. The tale of the first million is not just a narrative of sheer hard work and saving. It's also a story of the wondrous alchemy that is compound interest, coupled with the strategic shift of diversification. These concepts, though seemingly simple, wield the power of transforming modest savings into a treasure trove over time, illustrating that the path to wealth is not just about the amount you save, but how you grow those savings. Consider the story of Sarah, a modest earner who started investing a small portion of her income in her early 20s. Sarah's strategy was simple yet profound. In fact, consistently reinvested dividends and stay the course. Over the decades, the magic of compound interest worked its wonders, turning her modest investments into a substantial nest egg. Sarah's journey demonstrates the power of compound interest, often referred to as the eighth wonder of the world, which allows earnings to earn more earnings, creating a snowball effect that grows wealth exponentially over time. Then there's the story of Alex, who diversifies his investment portfolio across various asset classes, including stocks, bonds, and real estate. In the early days, Alex faced skepticism from peers who preferred to chase the high returns of the latest market trends. However, Alex understood something crucial. Diversification is the key to mitigating risk and ensuring steady growth. When the tech bubble burst, Alex's portfolio experienced minimal losses compared to his peers, thanks to his diversified investments. Over time, this strategy paid off handsomely, allowing Alex to build a robust financial foundation that was resilient in the face of market volatility. These real-life examples underscore the twin pillars of building wealth: compound interest and diversification. Compound interest serves as the engine of growth, harnessing the power of time and reinvestment to exponentially increase wealth. Diversification, on the other hand, acts as a safeguard, protecting the hard-earned wealth from the caprices of the market. Together, they form a potent strategy that can turn the dream of the first million from a daunting challenge into an achievable reality. As the stories of Sarah and Alex show, the journey to the first million is as much about smart financial strategies as it is about perseverance and patience. By embracing the principles of compound interest and diversification, anyone can navigate the path to financial success, proving that the first million is not just a milestone, but a testament to the power of financial wisdom and strategic planning. Scaling wealth beyond the first million. Scaling wealth beyond the first million marks a pivotal shift in the financial journey, a transition from an arduous climb to the strategic expansion of one's financial empire. This stage is where the initial hurdles of creating a wealth foundation give way to the broader challenges and opportunities of wealth multiplication and preservation. The stories of those who have navigated this passage are not just tales of financial acumen, but of visionary strategy and adaptability. Take, for example, the story of Maya, a tech entrepreneur whose startup's successful exit brought her first million. Rather than resting on her laurels, Maya pivoted towards angel investing, leveraging her industry expertise and networks to invest in promising startups. This strategic move not only diversified her investment portfolio, but also allowed her to play a pivotal role in shaping future innovations. One story illustrates a key principle of scaling wealth, leveraging existing assets and knowledge to unlock new avenues of growth. Similarly, the journey of Ethan, a real estate mogul, sheds light on the power of strategic investment and leverage. Starting with a single rental property, Ethan meticulously reinvested profits into acquiring more properties, effectively using leverage to scale his investments. Over time, Ethan's portfolio grew into a substantial real estate empire, generating passive income and appreciating in value. The story exemplifies how scaling wealth often involves reinvesting in familiar territories, using leverage wisely to amplify returns without proportionately increasing risk. These narratives underscore a fundamental truth about scaling wealth. Beyond the first million, the game changes. It's no longer just about saving or making wise investments, but about strategically deploying wealth to create more wealth. This phase often involves greater risks, but with the right strategies, such as diversification, leverage, and reinvestment, the potential rewards are significantly higher. Moreover, as wealth grows, so does the importance of wealth preservation and legacy building. This involves not just strategic investment, but also thoughtful planning around taxes, estate planning, and philanthropy, ensuring that wealth is not just grown, but also protected and passed on according to one's wishes. In essence, scaling wealth beyond the first million is a nuanced blend of growth, risk management, and legacy planning. It requires a deep understanding of the financial markets, a keen eye for opportunities, and a clear vision for the future. Through the stories of Maya, Ethan, and many others, we learn that with the right approach, scaling wealth is not just possible but can be a fulfilling journey of financial and personal growth. Remember, reaching that first million is a milestone that encompasses not just financial growth, but personal and psychological development. It teaches you the value of money, importance of investment, and the power of perseverance. So, whether you're just starting out or halfway there, keep focused, stay disciplined, and continue learning. Your first million is just the beginning of a journey towards financial freedom and success. If you like this type of content, then press the like button and subscribe to our channel.